Hi guys, good day. So our project for today is we're going to build our dog house in this area, guys, because we're going to transfer here. Now they are in my mother's house, but we're going to move them here. They are 5 dogs, like 2 Rottweiler, 2 Poodle, and 1 Kakupu. So this is smaller a bit, the area here, compared to the one they have now there in my mother house. So this is the material. It's just delivered now, and my brother is started to make the frame for our, that's for the frame for our roof. So we're just gonna put the roof all over here, go down there in that area. So yeah, we will update later, guys, the progress. And yeah, bye for now. So here we are, guys. It's already up, our frames for our roofing and for our wall. We just put here same what we have in my mother house, the really thick one, wire mesh, very thick one, because the Rottweiler, guys, they are very strong. They will shake the wool if they see other dogs. So this is the area here. Unsa ito size ila mama nga kuan yang ilang balay dito sa iro? Ha? 14?
14 by 17.
So the size there is 14 by 17, something like that. But this area here, unsay size ani dire? What's the size? 8 by 10? 8 by 7. But it's okay because we can put our 2 Rottweilers here, and we still have like that cage and bigger than that there, so we can put our other dogs. So they have big space. That one, I just put something there. Oh. So we still have another one there bigger than this. We're gonna concrete underground, under that, so it's easy to clean. And yeah, this is now the progress. And I will update again later. So they're going to put up now the scene. We call that scene here in our language, the Bisaya. But in English, that's tin rope. Tin, yeah. Tin rope. Tin. Tin palaya. So, maybe tomorrow they're gonna continue after that, because they're gonna concrete the floor. Put the mesh, the thick wire mesh. And yeah. Hi guys. So this is it now. So it's not yet done. Today is July 24, and they started the flooring for our dog cage, and they're doing like that, the reboard there, because later on they're gonna put concrete, guys. And you know, I want to change my mind that we don't want to do for the dogs here. It's like I want to to do this for like balcony. You can put table there, and this is like that, and you can, you know, that's your scenery when you have coffee. But Stuart is mad because I always changing my mind, but it's a joke. But yeah, that's it now, guys. Oh, so that one there in the side, that side over there, that's the like the drainage for the, you know, the wee wee and the poop. I know that the poop you always, you know, pick it up in the dashpan, and you know, just that when you clean them, that's how, that's the area there that we're going to make a like canal. So yeah, and here it's really close up, guys. So maybe we put something here because this one will gonna bad, I think, because we just, the length of the tin roof, guys, is only this size, 12, right? 12 feet, and it's only exactly here for our wall, this area here. So there's no other, you know, I don't know what we're gonna do there. Maybe we put something to make, you know, so the wood will not get bad in the sun and the rain. And yes, we will update you guys if we concrete here. Bye. So guys, it's all done, the flooring, and now pitting the drainage, because that's our drainage area here, there, which is when you clean or etc. So yes. Oh.
Hi, so the dog run for our 2 Rottweilers is finished. So that's the run, and what we're doing now, we're just putting a sealer paint on the concrete so when we wash it down it doesn't break the concrete away. And that's the brand of it. So it's a plastering waterproofing compound. And this was recommended to us by Aussie farming in the Philippines, William. And that's what he used for his pig run, and we've been there many times and he has no problems with his floors, so that's what we're doing for our dog run. So we'll give that a coat or two, and then we'll get back to you when it's finished. Bye. So guys, this is the completed dog run. We painted the floor with the cement bond, moved the dogs in, and now they're getting their cool down shower.
This is Luna.
Luna should stand there and have that done all day.
She likes the water. Sandy, no?
Sandy, the sneaky one that we try and get over if you turn your back.
Come here, not there. So this is their area, guys.
Yeah.
Not bad for the 2 Rottweiler.
Yes, plenty big enough for 2 of them.
Because if we buy the...
If we bought the cages, they'd be in 2 individual cages with not so much room to move, so...
Not there.
She won't jump out.
She's so chicken.
Yeah. Just sussing it out.
You want Shandy? You want? Not there, you're done. Good girl. You're done. This is Euroline and this is German.
Serbian.
Serbian,
Serbian
Euro.
and Euro.
Yeah. We still have 2 dogs to go to build another house above here. And it's not done yet.
Yeah, we're going to put another small run up there for the 2 poodles, which are still at Maris's mother's house. But slowly, slowly.
So yeah, this is their drainage here, guys. Oh, show you.
Yeah, we did a slope on the.
I just hide.
No,
She wants to go out.
just high enough to prevent them jumping over. No, no.
Sure, tell her.
Right, we'll let them finish off their shower in peace. We'll catch you later. Bye.